Now you got to be careful because they are jumpers. When they see you, they get really excited. Oh, it's kind of hard to see them, but they're in these murky waters.
You guys are about to get a look into this Arowana breeder's secret stash.
Open the gate.
What's up guys, we're here today still in Singapore. We're here at Tung-Hu fish farm. They breed all sorts of crazy rare and exotic fish here, including Arowanas, which is why you can see the Arowana statues up there. I'm really excited, and there's gonna be stuff today guys that you've never seen before, so let's go check it out. Obviously this is a closed facility, but thanks to our friend Kenny over at Empire Exotic Rays, he actually knows the owner here, and so we're gonna be getting a private tour. Dude, there's just Arowanas here? Guys, right off the bat, we've taken 10 steps and look at this. We got flowerhorns, we got different types of cichlids. We got an Arowana down here. This is just a taste of what you guys are about to see. So this is Kenny from Empire Exotic Rays. He actually knows the owners here at Tung-Hu Fish Farm. Thanks to Kenny, we're getting the hookup and we're getting an inside look into a farm that you have definitely never seen before. Where are we located in relation to Singapore for people that don't know?
Here's Lim Chu Kang.
Ling Tu Chong?
Yes.
We're about an hour outside of the city in Singapore. I guess this is why you need all this land. Look at this. So right off the bat here, you're gonna see all sorts of really rare and exotic stingrays.
These stingrays that they also keeping. It's a breeding stingray.
Look at those. What kind of stingrays are those? Are those black diamonds?
These hybrid.
Hybrids?
Yep.
What do they use these bins for? They use these to catch them?
No, this is for the pup.
For the pups?
Yes.
The
Once they
baby
give
stingray.
birth, they will host the pups only.
What kind are these?
Mamba.
Pearls and mamba stingrays?
Yeah. There's a motoro. There's an albino. There's a pearl. But both are pure. They are pure pearl.
Both of these stingrays you're saying have the same genes. It's just one came out albino?
Yes.
But they're both pearl stingrays.
Yes. They are both pearl stingray. Okay, let's go and see the Arowana.
This whole row of ponds right here, that's where they're breeding the Asian Arowanas and the Arowanas in general. It's kind of hard to see them, but they're in these murky waters.
So different pond, they got different species of Arowana.
The reason they have these cages is to prevent them from jumping.
Yep. Watch your step. Don't walk near this bush because there are snakes, there are cobra.
There's snakes and cobras in these bushes?
Definitely. They feed on frogs.
Oh, frogs.
Yeah. Sometimes you step on something.
Oh, that's why you're like...
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know, these Arowana fish, they're also called the dragonfish. They're very, very popular in China. It symbolizes good luck in Chinese culture, and so a lot of people will pay tens of thousands, even up to hundreds of thousands of dollars for some of these fish that they're breeding here in the ponds. Now, not every single one of these fish is a $100,000 fish, but if you get the right type, the right coloration, they can definitely be worth that much.
Be careful. Be careful. I don't want you to drop in. Hold tight. Hold
Are
tight.
you gonna go for me?
Hold tight. He's gonna go for your camera. He's gonna bite and move away.
Should I move or should I let him bite it?
Let him bite it. You sure? You hold tight. You hold tight.
So you can see right here, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 albino Arowanas. Look how cool they are. These, you can actually see, the water's pretty murky in all these ponds, but these ones you can see the best because of their bright coloration. Now you gotta be careful because they are jumpers. When they see you, they get really excited. Ken's about to feed them. What kind of Arowana are these right here? Silver Arowana. Look at that. Oh, look at these guys, yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Really?
You see a black arowana? Do you see a black arowana?
Yeah. Is the black arowana rare?
Yeah. Okay, here is a normal super arowana. Just now you saw the albino.
Yeah.
This is a normal super arowana.
Oh!
Whoa.
I tell you, they will jump. Use a cross bag and mix.
Whoa! Fake them out.
Slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't scare him. He will swim away.
Guys, that's a $10,000 fish. Look at it. Dude, this right here is a black arowana. Supposedly these are extremely rare. How much does a black arowana go for?
It depends. It depends. Maybe 10,000.
Hello. So what's he doing, Kenny?
He's cleaning the glass. He's cleaning the glass, cleaning the area. So sometimes you'll get a lot of bushes around there. It's too much. It's not good.
How often do you do this?
Maybe half a year.
Are there any fish in this pond?
Yeah.
What kind of fish? Oh, arowana are in this one?
Yes.
So are they scared of him? or-
Definitely, definitely. You can't see anything of them.
Why do they drain these ponds here?
The bacteria, everything is hidden.
In the substrate?
Yes. Once in a while, you have to drain it. So you clean it up, everything. Then you reload the water again.
So they just do 100% water change?
Yes, correct, correct. So you clean up the bushes. You see all the bushes they clean up.
Yeah, they completely trimmed them.
Yes.
Check it out, guys. So on this pond right here, look, there's only a few steps before you hit the water. And on this pond, you'll see just how low they go, just how deep these are. There's so many different kinds of fish here. These are the baby arowana, so pearl arowana, 100 pieces.
Okay, so how the arowana mate? After they mate already, the female will lay egg. So the male will fertilize. After fertilize, the male will take all the babies in the mouth. The male will hold the babies in the mouth for the eggs in the mouth for maybe 30 days to 40 days. Halfway through, the breeder will go and open up the mouth and throw the eggs out. Sometimes once the eggs come out, the baby come out, the male will swallow it. The longer you put in the mouth, the lesser baby you'll get.
How many babies do they usually have?
Maybe 80, 40, 100.
So they're breeding all of the arowanas in all of those big mud ponds out back. Once they've bred and raised them out there, they bring them in here. These are more or less holding containers where you can see the arowana and all the other types of fish a lot better, a lot clearer before they get shipped out. Every arowana breeder has their own special way of doing things, so you guys are about to get a look into this arowana breeder's secret stash right here. Alright, so these are all the red ones, right? Guys, look at this. This room right here is actually their breeding room.
From eggs to baby.
Little baby arowana.
A lot of people wonder, where are babies made? And this is where you're made if you're a baby arowana. You can see they have all their equipment on that shelf back there.
This is a container to how they roll the egg. So they will put in this, the egg will all inside here, they will pull the bubble, they will roll it. The eggs have to keep moving. If they stay there for too long, the egg will spoil.
You need to keep being constant.
Yes, yes.
For those of you that don't know, every single arowana fish here, they actually insert a microchip into. It's used to identify and track each fish that comes out of this facility. So almost every arowana breeder does this practice. It doesn't harm the fish and it's really quick.
So this is the jab to inject the chip. So how you gonna do that? You can see the small hole. So I'll put a chip in, then I will inject it, push it in. So I'll poke it, inject it at the side of the yeah. So you have the scanner, you're going to scan out the body, and the body, once they scan the chip, they will pull out the number. So every individual Arowana has their individual number. So you can check the checklist. So this number belongs to Tung-Hu.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, make sure to drop it a like down below so that it has a chance to circulate and other people get the opportunity to see what you just saw. Massive thank you to Kenny from Empire Exotic Rays for giving us this opportunity. I have tons of other videos now here from the facilities, fish stores, and breeders of Singapore. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Lots more content just like this is coming out here on my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. But until then, remember to keep those nitrates low. George out.
Look how big he is. That guy's the size of my hand.
You know what they say about big hands?
No, you know what they say about big flower horns.
Oh, I thought it would come out. Oh, it does. It's not a real knife.
Keep that thing on me.